This is the biggest laundromat in Lagos with over 20 washers and dryers.
Hey, this is Joadre. We have published blogs on how to start a laundry business. We also went looking for one of Lagos' best laundromats to see how this business works.
Washryte is a laundromat based in Lekki. We deliver in less than 24 hours if it's a drop-off, and if it's self-service, you get your clothes in probably 1 hour 20 minutes.
So water, light, space, these are all factors that can prevent people from doing their laundries at home, and this creates a business opportunity.
Sometimes laundry is not what people like to do. Personally, I don't like doing my laundry. It's to make our customer feel like they're at home, you're doing your wash at home. Our social goal is to ensure that any customer can afford their laundry here. Not just because it is affordable, but because it's pretty fast.
Promising speed and affordability in Lagos. Now I wonder what operational elements needs to be put in place to deliver this promise to the customer.
Here we have the washers. This is the washing machine, this floor and the other floor. And here we have the dryer. Though you are washing yourself, but an attendant would always be attached to you to help you insert the cord, to start the machine, to also fill up the compartment for the detergent and any other cleaning agents.
Laundry is not as easy as you think. Remember, white can go in and pink comes out. So I asked the manager to give me a hint about the process.
The first thing we do is to sort out the clothes according to the types of clothes, according to the colors. A lot of people don't know that there is a difference between wash and dry, which is the laundry, and dry cleaning.
What? There is a difference?
What's the difference?
So dry cleaning is the use of chemical and a special dry cleaning machine. But this basically uses detergent to wash and dry. Some garments are color sensitive and texture sensitive. Some garments can be shrinked by the machine. We identify the sensitive garments and then recommend to the customer what should be done.
Like starting any venture, apart from cash, a lot of staff training needs to be invested.
Every organization, you must train your own staff based on your own standard. First, when we recruit, when we employ professionals, but we would always train them based on our own item, our materials, our machines, and the kind of detergent we use.
Doing business in Lagos is not an easy journey to embark on. So I wanted to know, do they face the same challenges lots of entrepreneurs complain about?
Being in Lagos, we have taxes and dues here and there. Some are just enormous, where we have to balance between our pricing and meeting up with these taxes and dues. When the taxes come, when the bills come, electricity, gas, television tax, we pay for the television to the local government, all those things factor into the pricing may not really favor the organization sometimes.
So for young entrepreneurs, I wanted to know, what is this number one thing they need to consider before they start or launch their business?
The first thing I would say is to get your policies and your standard right. People would always want to take advantage of you, but you need to be firm on your standards as a woman. You need to be firm on your policies. You need to be firm on what you are doing. If you know what you're doing and it is right, do not compromise. Set your standards high and be firm on the right thing. Doing the right thing is not easy, but if you know the benefit of doing right, you will do it anyways.
So that was it with the Realpreneurs. I hope you got some value. See you in the next video.